Well, those are some raisins. Wait a minute, Luke. That might be too many raisins. Nick.
What you eating there, man?
You know me. Scarfing down some raisins like usual.
Raisins there? Don't you think that's a little yucky to be eating out here?
The candy of Mother Nature? A fat-free food? Little bursts of energy? Come on, man.
I've never liked raisins, and I never will.
You gotta try one.
Maybe I'll just try one,
There we go.
but no more.
That's what I like to hear.
Alright, I downed it. Are you happy now?
That's all I asked for.
Okay.
Try it.
Okay. Hey, Luke, do you mind if I maybe just get like one more? Because
Sure.
I think like I wasn't really tasting it right. So.
Probably not. They're raisins, man. Good stuff. Good stuff, huh?
Good. It's fantastic. May I?
Sure. Oh, okay. Really enjoying them now, huh? You're nothing.
You're worthless.
You know what? We had our fun with the raisins. At the end of the day, there's not much else to do. So let's go home, Nick, huh?